Once registered, begin building your profile by showcasing your technological offer, unique services, or research infrastructure, anything that sets your organization apart. To do this, click My Assets and choose Create New Asset. The asset creation screen has two columns. On the left, describe your asset. On the right, enter key information for commercialization, including IPR protection, market segments, and descriptors to help match your asset with relevant needs. Start by entering the asset name, then select its type, technology or intellectual property, unique know-how, service, research infrastructure, or unique R&D&I capacity. If applicable, select the technology readiness level. Then provide a concise, informative description. Highlight the value proposition, competitive advantages, and unique selling points. Upload a main image that represents your asset clearly. This will appear in the asset list. You may also add up to 10 additional images to help partners and clients understand your offer. Name the key expert for this asset and include a link to their professional profile. You can add more than one expert if relevant. If the asset is based on scientific work, list the references and provide direct links to publications using standard citation format. If your asset is protected, indicate that here. Select the type of protection, add the application ID, link to the repository, and provide filing and expiration dates, as well as the ownership status. Then choose available licensing options and define the geographic scope of your protection. Select the market segments where your asset can be applied. Choose 3 to 5 relevant domains. Then add multiple descriptors that best match your asset. Optionally, provide a specific contact person for this asset. Otherwise, all inquiries will go to your main contact. Click Submit to finalize and create your asset. It will appear in your asset list. At this stage, your asset is visible only to you and the 6AVA consortium. In the next phase, you'll be able to opt in for public visibility. Thank you for joining. We wish you happy projects.